This boat was sort of a nail biter. It was having some noises in the drive, and it was like a gimbal bearing was going out. So we changed the gimbal bearing and needed it, changed the inner shift cable. This is the lower unit off of it. It's an SEI that's been replaced. This is the upper unit. It's an SEI that's been replaced. And so we dropped the lower, started it up, still had the noise, pulled the upper drive off, and the noise went away. So we tore it apart, and oh, here it is, sorry. This is unheard of, but he probably, when he had to replace the drive, it hit something. But this bearing right here, you see it spins nicely most of the time, but there's something there's a bad bearing inside of there. See if I can get it to act up. It just did 1 second ago. Yeah, there it is. It's locked. By the way, if you spin it, you can feel, there it is. See how it hits, grinds and hits. So it's one bearing, probably some parts inside of there, just some chunks that keep it from rolling. But that can't bind. And so that was the problem with the upper drive, was the bearing failed. And that's a really robust bearing.